The Poly Edge V250 Plus effortlessly handles multiple calls with reliable multi-line office phones. Get 4 line keys supporting up to 16 lines, features, and contacts on a 2.8-inch color display. Let's look at what comes in the box. The components include the phone base itself, a desk or table stand, Ethernet cable, the handset and handset cord, as well as a quick start guide. Now let's start by looking at the various ports on the phone. On the right side of the Edge V250 Plus, you will notice a USB-C connection to a PC. Using an optional USB-C cable, you can use your Edge V phone as a speaker and microphone for your PC. This port is active when the phone is powered, or you can utilize the USB-C port on the bottom of the phone to power the phone. As we turn the phone over, let's review the different ports. The first port you'll see on the bottom of the Edge V250 Plus, there is a Kensington lock port that will allow you to lock the phone in place. Moving from left to right, top to bottom, the first port we have is a second USB-C port. This can provide power to the phone and PC connectivity. Next, we have the LAN port that will connect the network and internet. The next port is a LAN pass-through port. This is used if you need to hardwire a device at your desk and you only have one LAN drop in your area. On the bottom row, there is a port for a power supply. Keep in mind the Edge V250 Plus uses power over Ethernet, so the power supply is not needed to operate the phone. Next, there is an RJ11 that is used for certain models of headsets that require a wired connection to the phone. Finally, the last port is for the telephone handset coiled cable. Let's get that set up now. On the back of the phone, plug the long flat end of the RJ11 cable into the phone port. Feed the cable through the channel locks. Take the handset cord and plug the short flat end of that cable into the handset base itself. To install the stand, turn the phone over and then slowly insert the stand into the receptacles. Please note, you have the ability to put the phone at 2 different angles based upon your preference and lighting in your space. To do so, simply remove the stand, flip over, and reinsert. If you are going to be wall mounting your phone, there is an optional wall mount kit. The final step is to plug in the LAN cable to the appropriate network port that is providing power over Ethernet. If your network is not providing power, you can also use the optional power supply or power the unit using USB-C. You may need to go through a series of startup screens, or your phone will be provisioned by your network provider. For additional information, please visit hp.com.